Election Day coverage your way from 10 News.
Survivors of the collision are being pulled from the north entrance of the tunnel, but railway officials estimate that as many as 50 people remain trapped inside.
It hurts here?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like a bad bruise, but it could be evidence of internal injury.
Emily, we need you over here.
Look pale.
Yeah, well, train crashes don't agree with me. I'm fine, though. I'm just cold.
You're starting to dilate, Alexis. His baby's coming.
Not now. Oh, God. This can't be happening.
I wish we could have had a baby.
We will.
I have no regrets. I've had a great life. You've made the last 24 hours the best. I'm glad I got to be your husband.
And you will always be my husband. I will never stop loving you. Lucky? Lucky?
Jason! Get out! Jason! Jason, let me hear something from you!
The role of Carly is now being played by Laura Wright.
You okay?
All right, go check on the other son.
Is everyone okay?
I'm all right. You're the ones that made yourselves human shields. Courtney, you know what? You're pregnant yourself. You need to take care.
Wow, easy.
Another contraction? They're getting stronger.
Okay, we need to get you out of here. This baby is coming soon. You okay? Cuts, bruises, you okay?
Goodbye. Thanks.
Okay?
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Oh my God. Lucky and Elizabeth. Oh God. Lucky?
on those trains?
Emily was on that 6 o'clock train from Port Charles. It's part of Lucky Elizabeth's wedding party.
I am so sorry.
Luke went into the tunnels to look for them. His daughter was here. I had to take her home, and I came back to get an update.
The only evacuees are coming from the rear of the trains. The other cars are too deep in the tunnels to reach because of the cave-ins, and rescue workers are digging through the debris as we speak.
What about Luke?
I don't know.
Luke went into the tunnels on his own. You didn't stop him? He's looking for his son. Were you cheering him on? I respect Luke's decisions. What are you getting at, Tracy? I'm questioning your motives. What motives?
All right.
You would probably see him buried alive than married to me. You know what? Luke does what he wants, and right now he wants to save his son. But frankly, I bet he'd rather be buried alive than continue being your husband.
Need a medic over here! Medic, please! Come on! Lady, do something, please. Do something, lady. Hey!
Hold on.
Did you see anyone else down there? Lucky, Elizabeth!
We have to dig through this.
Okay. All right.
I'm having another contraction.
Come on, breathe through it. Breathe. Okay, good.
They're coming faster.
Yeah. 4 minutes apart now.
I don't want to have this baby in this godforsaken place, Rick.
I know.
Alexis, listen to me. You're gonna be fine, okay? You and the baby are gonna be just fine.
Okay. I know. Did you hear that?
Emily, you're a medical student, okay? Go help Rick and Alexis. We'll get Elizabeth and Lucky out of here. How's your son?
I'm fine.
Okay, you look pale right now.
You know what? I need to do something to get my mind off. Okay, I need some help.
You need to just sit
The
down.
rescue team will take a look at it when they get here. In the meantime, all I can do is wait, all right, Sonny? I'm gonna help.
No, wait. What are you? No.
Nicholas?
What are you doing?
I will be careful, okay? I need to help.
Easy.
Oh, this one's quicker.
Okay, breathe. You need to breathe.
I am.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, okay.
I want you to be born, darling. But I don't want a dab in here.
Lucky! Just hold on, babe. I'm coming to get you. Get you out of here. Injured passengers are starting to come in, but there's no word on Lucky, Elizabeth, Nicholas, or Emily.
The rescue workers haven't reached the antique cars yet.
Oh, God, I hope that tunnel doesn't collapse on them.
Doctor, we just got word from dispatch that the medevac is flying in a male, around 30.
Injuries?
Oh, a few minor cuts, but he's unconscious, possibly from some kind of seizure.
Jason, Tony said he wouldn't survive another seizure.
He was determined to find Emily, Helen.
That is if she's still alive.
Don't torture yourself with ifs. Jason is a grown-up now. He is free to make his own choices, be they good or bad.
Okay, breathe in. Breathe in. Come on, breathe in. And out. Good. You okay? You okay?
You don't happen to have an epidural handy, do you?
I know you're doing okay when you can joke.
I'm not joking.
Okay, all right, honey. Yeah,
I
breathe.
believe that the rescue team is going to be here when this baby is born.
We're gonna need more first aid supplies.
I'm sure the rescue team's gonna have some.
We don't know when they're gonna be here. I'd rather be prepared. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the wreck, see what I can find.
That's a good idea. You okay?
Fair enough.
We gotta keep digging, Sonny.
Somebody's got to keep Alexis company while Rick and Emily go get some supplies.
Sonny, I don't want to leave Alexis.
It's okay, I'll be
Oh,
quick.
you can't go in that train alone, Emily. You don't know what you're going to find in there.
He's right, you know? Okay.
Be careful.
Oh, well, hey, listen.
Rebecca, you're the strongest woman I know. This baby is very lucky to have you as a mother. Okay.
I don't mean to be clingy.
Huh?
But I really need you here to get through this.
Okay, Alexis, we're going to get through this. All right?
Hurry back.
Breathe.
Elizabeth, Lucky, can you hear me?
Lucky? Lucky, I'm coming to get you, babe. Where are you? Lucky, just hang in there. Lucky.
We're gonna prep you for transport to General Hospital. I need a tank!
No, if he's not critical, we need him here.
No, he needs to be examined.
He is the only one to get out of the railroad cars. You can tell us where the other people are and how to reach them.
I agree with Alcazar. I need Jax here. Maybe he can map out what's down there. Until now, we've been digging blind.
Matt is so concerned because his niece Robin is on the train. Why is this so important to you?
It's just a terrible situation. I'm trying to help.
All right, you know what? There's a lot more to Good Samaritan going on here, Lorenzo. I know you, I can read you, and there's something personal at stake here for you. If Diego were on that train, you would say so. You wouldn't cover it. It's Carly, isn't it? You have reason to believe that she's down there.
Hey! Hey, that's diesel fuel. If it catches, this whole place is gonna blow. Right there. Find a fire extinguisher. Grab it. All right, good. All right, pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the electrical wire. Pull the trigger! Okay. All right, wait there. I'll come get you.
The last time I saw you, you were on your way to see Carly because you were worried about her.
I got distracted by the train crash.
Oh, yes, you certainly did.
Look, the rescue workers need all the help they can get, all right?
Rose Lawn is in Sinclair Falls, which is the last stop before the tunnel. Is Carly on that train?
No, this is a waste of time.
Hey, you get this certain look on your face when Carly's on your mind.
Maybe it's just a look of concern for the dozen people that are trapped in the tunnel.
If I call Rose Lawn, what are they going to say to me?
You're not going to let this go, are you?
I want a straight answer.
All right, yes. Carly was on the northbound to lose a train.
I gotta go.
Jax, hold on.
Others are in the tunnel, man. They need our help.
I'm gonna get you help. I'm gonna take you home. You're gonna be fine, okay? Oh, God. Oh, God. Baby, don't do this to me. Just stay with me. Please stay with me. Okay? I can do this. I can... Oh, God, what am I gonna do?
Elizabeth!
He's hurt. He's hurt. Taking us out of that beam.
Oh, my God. Let's get him up. Send it out. Get this organ. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, you did you hear me? Lucky.
Oh, my God. Tell me he's alive. He's alive. Tell me he's alive.
Okay, we're making progress.
Fast enough.
Oh, my stomach!
You okay?
Oh! Damn it!
You okay?
Will you explain something to me? What is the point of having a doctor on the scene if nobody listens to them? Why have a triage area at all? I mean, why not ask the crash victims if they want medical care, if they just want to stick around and see who else gets dug up? And if they're too hurt to talk, great. Some interested civilian can come by, flip a coin, and choose whether or not to send them to a hospital or let them lie on a gurney until hopefully they revive.
You feel any better?
I just want to kick someone. Don't you? I mean, you risked your life to pull Jasper Jack to safety. Don't you want to see him get the help that he needs?
Well, sure I do, but I'm selfish, and Emily's still down there. And if Jax has information to where she is, I need to hear it.
Okay, well, fine. You have a reason. Explain to me Lorenzo Alcazar's. What the hell is that man doing down there? And how dare he interfere with the care I'm giving a patient?
Well, I haven't figured out his angle yet.
Okay, well, maybe somebody should ask him. I haven't had that much experience with that man, but I'm treating his wife. And I had to research how he got involved with Carly. It's not pretty. And there's no way that man is down here out of the goodness of his heart. There is something he wants down in that tunnel, which is fine. I don't care. Let him dig for it. But don't put Jax's life at risk.
Is that what you think it is?
I don't know. I mean, that's the whole point. I don't have the right equipment to make a diagnosis. I don't know if Jax is gagging and coughing because he had a lack of air or if he sustained some hideous head trauma that's going to kill him in 15 minutes. Triage is this non-stop series of best guesses. I think this one's going to live. I think this one's going to die, so don't waste time. Set this one aside and let the other patient go up in the helicopter. But what if I'm wrong? What if the patient I set aside could have been saved?
Let me ask you a better question. Would you rather be at home watching this on TV saying this situation is too big for me to do anything about? Laney, I'm not a rescue professional or anything like that. I'm just a guy with a shovel who digs where they tell me to dig. I'm doing the best I can, and so are you. And you know what? That's better than nothing.
Okay.
You ready to go?
After a speech like that, how can I do anything else?
Let's go.
Right. Justice. Thank you. Alexis, breathe. Breathe. Good. Good.
Oh. The irony.
Yeah, well, Rick will be back soon, okay?
I know I shouldn't care. I know I shouldn't want him here. But I do.
I found a first aid kit, but there's nothing that's going to help with Alexis's labor.
Okay, well, we're not going to give birth for thousands of years without the aid of modern medicine. We're just going to have to do it the old-fashioned way with blankets and water and a lot of hand-holding.
Okay, I guess we're just going to have to make do.
Emily, is there something you're not telling me?
It may be nothing.
Emily, please, what is it?
Emily, we need you right away.
I want you to go back to the south tunnel entrance. Slow going. Then find another way in.
Jax made it out through the north.
Jax was on the Port Charles train. My niece was on the train from Manhattan. That's closer to the south entrance.
I know I'm supposed to be looking for Robin, and I will. But there are other people trapped in there, too.
I'm not asking you to step over anyone, all right? Or leave anyone to die.
My niece is HIV positive, all right? Her immune system is fragile. And I know Robin. She won't ask for special treatment. She'll be the last in line to be taken out, the last one to ask for help. I'm not gonna lose her. Not in that tunnel. Get her out.
I get it.
Do you?
Let's listen to what Jax has to say. Maybe he knows another way in. Maybe the commuter passengers, including your niece, they found a way through the tunnel, and they're with the Port Charles passengers by now. Look, once we have some idea of what's going on in there, I promise you I will do everything I can to get Robin out.
I must sound crazy.
Now, sir, you sound worried. There's nothing wrong with that.
Jason?
Didn't they tell you that you could die if you left the hospital? Of course they told you that, but you didn't care because you don't care about putting yourself in danger.
Hey, where's Sam? Where is she?
She went to find help. She said that there was a ladder she was going to try to climb out of. I don't know.
Okay, I'll go look for her as soon as I get you out of here.
No, you gotta go find Sam. She might be trapped.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Sure
I'll be
okay?
fine. Just go. Just go.
I got to Carly's room and she was gone. The doctor admitted that he saw Manny Luis on the grounds.
Well, you must not think that he kidnapped her, or else you would have told the police.
I just know that Carly boarded the train at Sinclair Falls. She seemed to be alone.
So it's possible that she did cause this train crash.
She was just fearful and agitated. The doctor wanted to prescribe a powerful antipsychotic. She was far too frightened to have taken any action.
Antipsychotic is what you give a patient who's had a break from reality. She hallucinated that Emily was Faith and tried to kill her.
Yeah, I realize that.
For all we know, she could have flipped on the taxi conductor.
No, Carly would still be at Roselawn getting the proper care she needs if it weren't for Manny. She is the victim here.
Who knows how many innocent people she could have hurt?
Carly needs to be at Roselawn. I'm not arguing that. We just don't know what really happened. For all we know, she wasn't even involved. I am asking you as someone that I care for and trust. Please, please just keep quiet about this.
Mac, the antique cars are once completely blocked off by debris. I'm the only one who got out. The rest are waiting to be rescued.
Well, who's been injured?
Lucky Spencer, the worst. He has something jabbed into his stomach. He's bleeding pretty bad.
What about Elizabeth and Emily?
They're okay. They're doing their best to look after Lucky. But Alexis, she's about to do that. She can't give birth in that tunnel.
We're doing everything we can to clear the south entrance.
It's gonna take too long, Mac.
We don't have a choice. There's no other way, Jack.
I found a way. The north end. We can go back in that way.
It's not gonna work. The passageway where I found you is a complete dead end, Jackson. Sam!
I'm here. Just listen to my voice, okay? I'll get you out. I'm sorry. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Just stay with me, okay? Please stay with me. Just stay with me. It's gonna be okay.
I was pulling out a rock and I fell.
Took a pretty bad fall right here.
Are you feeling any dizziness, any cramping?
No. Lucky and Elizabeth are trapped. I mean, people need help. I couldn't just stand by and watch, but God, if I've done anything to hurt this baby.
There's no reason to believe that you've done any harm to your baby, Connie.
Oh, God, I hope not. It's okay, go ahead.
What are you talking about?
Emily's there and Rick's inside looking for
Rick
supplies.
is gonna be back here any minute.
I know, but he could probably use your help, and I'm really okay by myself.
Alexis, you're unbelievable. Why do you always have to fight everyone and everything? All right, you know what? It's not about me helping you. I want to help the baby. Is that okay? You know what? Suit yourself. Hey,
Baby, your dad's here. He came all this way just to find you.
Sorry.
No.
You're gonna owe Elizabeth big time after this, cowboy. This is one hell of a bad honeymoon.
Hey.
That's all right. Don't talk. I know. Lucky, Elizabeth!
How did you get in here?
Down the ventilation shaft.
That way out?
Don't get your hopes up. There's no getting out that way. It collapsed behind me.
He's too weak to move. He's lost too much blood.
Lucky's weak. Luke, find a way in. I'm gonna find a way out, okay?
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not. You're hurt right
I'm
now.
fine. It's a bruise, Sonny. I'm coming with you.
Hey, Laney, wait! Wait, I just want to help. Oh!
The north entrance, it's a mess. No one can get through. All the digging has to come from the south.
No. Look, they have to get past the wreckage of the commuter train first to get to the antique cars. Alexis and Lucky don't have that kind of time.
I've already told you, Jax, the way that you came through was completely blocked.
I will find a way through.
I'm going with you. If you get through, you're gonna need my help.
If you can climb, let's go.
Lorenzo. Luck.
Thank you.
Your reasoning made sense. It's obvious you're still devoted to Carly, and who am I to stand in the way of true love, huh?
It's far more complicated than that.
Tell me again whose husband you're wringing your hands over. Is it mine or Carly's?
I think the bleeding needs to slow down a little bit, don't you think? A little. Some water.
I should have went with Sonny. And the two of us would be finding a way to get Lucky out of here.
It's better that the people Lucky loves most are here with him right now.
Enough with the tragic resignation and smiling through our tears. Nobody is gonna die here. Nobody!
So sorry, excuse me. Wait a minute, where's Bobby?
She's probably at the main staging area near the tunnel's entrance.
Why do you know so much about the way this place is laid out?
Because I've been watching the news.
So have I. Which is why it's really bizarre to me that Bobby would call you and have me drive you down here.
I'm just trying to help Bobby. Okay, she's probably very worried. I mean, my brothers are somewhere stuck in the tunnel, and oh, Jesse, you're part of the rescue team, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen my brothers or my dad? He went in after Lucky in the tunnel, and
No, I haven't seen Luke, and I doubt he got anywhere near the tunnel. They blocked it off to everyone except rescue personnel.
what about my brothers?
But Jasper Jackson made it out. He says Lucky's hurt badly.
How bad? Is anyone sent after him?
They're trying. I'm sorry, I don't know any more than that.
Wait, Lulu, where are you going? And please don't say to go help Bobby.
Did you miss the part about Lucky being hurt?
I heard that, and I'm really, really sorry about that. But Lulu, the best thing we can do right now is just let the rescue workers do their job.
Just shut up and leave me alone.
No, Lulu, forget it. I brought you here. Now you are my responsibility.
Oh my God, you gave me a ride. I'll be sure to send you a thank you note. Now, just get out of my way.
This is not about you. Do you understand that? There are other people's families trapped down there, not just yours. So the best thing we can do to help them is to stay out of the way.
Oh, God. Do you know how sick I am of hearing that? For my whole life, I've been staying out of the way. Oh, Lulu's fine. She's at her grandmother's. Let's send her off to bake some cookies and feed her this story that everything's going to be okay, pat her on the head, and tell ourselves that we're doing the right thing. My brothers are trapped. Lucky is hurt. I'm going to do whatever I can to make sure that Nicholas and Lucky are saved. And if it means yelling and screaming and getting in the way, then that is exactly what I'm going to do.
Oh, come on, control your breathing, Alexis. Come on, in, out, please. What?
Have you noticed that the only way that we're capable of getting along is in the middle of a crisis? That we can't go 2 minutes in our daily life without sparring, bickering, contemplating a divorce. But give us a train wreck and a collapsing tunnel, and we're in our glory. Why do our lives have to be threatened to admit that we need each other?
I think we crave excitement.
You think?
Yeah. We spend our entire lives protecting ourselves. We're just waiting for the other shoe to drop.
You see, I was right.
We always have to be on the verge of losing everything in order to realize what we have and how important it is.
I think we maybe ought to work on this.
You think?
Wait a minute, hold it.
Hold up.
Hold it. Is that the unidentified man from the crash?
Yes, he's still unconscious. Vitals are stable.
Okay, triage 2.
I feel sorry for that man, but I thank God it's not Jason.
Yes, but it means that Jason's still in that tunnel.
Monica, I've got this feeling in my heart that Jason and Emily are going to come through this. They're going to be fine.
Please. Sam, please. Sam. Please. It's okay. Oh, man. Hi. I'm so glad that you were right.
We gotta get you back to the hospital.
Oh, I'm just so happy. Oh. You okay? Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna try to get up. You gotta be careful, okay? Okay, I'm gonna push you up, okay?
You need to get back to Port Charles, okay?
It's okay. Let's get you up. Get you up. Okay.
I rode up in the train with Robin. She's here.
I know. I found her. Come on. Yeah, she's pinned down. She's pinned down. We gotta get her out. Be careful. Let's get you out of there, Mom.
Glad you're all right. You too.
Trust Luke Spencer knows what in and out of this place.
Yeah, he's really resourceful, isn't he?
You know what? You're a lot hurt. You need to go back. Take it back if you want.
I'm fine. You can't do this alone, okay? I know you have trouble with small spaces. That's why I wanted to come with you in the first place.
The claustrophobia is a lot better for me if I'm moving. So
Well, then let's keep moving, okay? We've got to get help because Lucky's not going to last long in this condition.
Move.
It's not budging. Jason, you shouldn't be straining like this. It could bring on a seizure.
That fuel's leaking. Let's get started. Hey, second. We gotta get you out of here. Okay. You guys ready? Lift.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. The passage is blocked in both directions.
Okay. I'm gonna start digging. You all right?
Fine. Lorenzo and I are friends.
Really? Friends hug each other like that?
Mine do.
Yours obviously don't. What I saw was a touching tableau of lovers hugging. I especially like the look of fear in your eyes as Lorenzo walked valiantly into the teeth of danger.
Ever thought of writing one of those cheesy romance novels, Tracy?
Luke went out to risk his life, and did you stop him? No. You shoved him out the door and rushed over here to lip-lock Lorenzo.
Oh, for heaven's sake, I did not lip-lock Lorenzo. I was thanking him.
For what?
This is the tunnel I crawled out of.
Great.
Now it's all a wall of rock and debris.
Oh, we're just gonna have to dig our way back through it.
For all we know, the whole tunnel's collapsed.
Listen, I'm not giving up. There are people alive down there that need our help. Come on.
You looking for me?
Come on, you and I know something about you that your friends don't know. You've been knocking on heaven's door so many times before, and you've always come through it, and you're gonna come through this. You remember when I told you that there was no good of coming from being a cop, and that there was no such thing as the good guys? And you ignored me, and you joined the PCPD, and then I told you it was foolish to get married, and you did it anyway. You ignored me again. Your whole adult life has been nothing but I told you so to me. So what have I got to do? Have I got to say you haven't got a chance, that you're going to die so that you'll fight? Come on, cowboy, you're going to do it. You're going to fight to win. Come on. Come on. Oh, God.
What?
He's not breathing. He stopped breathing.
Oh, Lucky, don't trust.
How's she doing?
She's 6 centimeters dilated.
I know I'm further along than that. I've got to be. The baby feels like it's gonna come soon.
She can go from 6 to 10 pretty quickly, can't she?
She could.
Okay. All right, then, you know, if the baby comes before the rescue crews can arrive, then Emily and I are just gonna have to handle it.
Emily, what's wrong?
Hopefully the rescue crews are going to be here any minute.
And what if they're not? What if I'm stuck here?
You're gonna have the baby.
Not at 6 centimeters, I'm not. What would they do if I were in the hospital?
They'd give you a C-section.